Intertek Indonesia's Hardlines Lab started operations in 2009 in Semarang with the aim of providing testing facilities for furniture products. Location is conveniently accessible to furniture factories, which were mostly located in central Java and surrounding areas. With a working area coverage of 200 square meters, Intertek operated the first accredited lab under ISO 17025 in Indonesia in 2010. In the early days of operation, testing capabilities were geared towards European indoor and outdoor furniture testing. The development of other physical testing, such as for ceramics, for the US market followed. Over time, there has been an expansion of capabilities and an increase in testing capacity, such that by January 2015, the laboratory was moved to its current location in Chandi Industrial Area with a working coverage of 600 square meters, 3 times its original size. We currently have around 30 people to support operations. Intertek's Hardlines Laboratory is divided into several testing groups or areas. McDonald's Toys, Product Quality, Transit Packaging, Children's Toys and Carton, Random Vibration, Flammability, Acoustics, Humidity Chamber, Corrosion, Ceramic Preparation, Machine Room. McDonald's Toys Testing Area. The room is divided into 2 parts, for sample conditioning and testing area for the following: drop testing, tension testing, torque and high torque testing, compression testing, bite testing, test to failure testing, and small part testing. For McDonald's Happy Meal program, we normally receive the sample along with the work order details that provide information on specific testing items required. Samples are distributed or sent to the micro lab in Jakarta, or for specific testing items currently not within Intertek Indonesia's scope or capability, to Intertek in Shenzhen or Hong Kong. For mechanical hazard TS401 or sharp point, TS406 compression, DR101 strangulation hazard, DR103 critical parts, DR104 projection hazard, DR106 tympanic membrane, and DR109 finger entrapment, testing is conducted in this room, while for flammability of solid TS415, testing is conducted on a designated flammability test area. Product Quality Furniture Test Area. This is the core business of the Hardlines Laboratory in Indonesia. The furniture testing for stability, durability, and performance will help evaluate the quality and life cycle of tested furniture. Occupying an area of 100 square meters, testing in this area covers the following scope: European norms, ANSI BIFMA, and ANSI SOHO, ASTM, Buyer's Furniture Protocols, Packaging Children's Toys and Carton Test Area. This room, which has an area of 100 square meters, has 3 different testing capabilities for packaging, children's toys, and cartons. Packaging. Intertek is certified by the International Safe Transit Association or ISTA to conduct packaging testing to various requirements of its Transit Tested Certification Program to ensure the packaging meets requirements to avoid damage during transit. Not only our lab is certified by ISTA, but 2 of our Intertek's packaging lab professionals have also been qualified by ISTA. Children's toys. The requirements for toy safety became increasingly stringent every day, from quality design and development to testing and evaluations. Many countries have established their own safety regulations, such as CPSIA, GB, and EU Toy Safety Directive, including SNI standard for Indonesia. For these items, Companies must ensure that their products comply with the relevant standards before their goods can be sold in these locations. These standards are SNI ISO 8124, EN71, and ASTM F963. Carton and wood moisture content. Corrugated shipping cartons are subjected to different kinds of strain during packing, shipping, and storage. Intertek provides solutions to ensure products safely arrive at destination by providing service for compulsory carton testing. These are TAPI T810, TAPI T811, TAPI T839, and ASTM D4442. Random vibration test area. Packaging testing can be done at many stages of the product cycle. The best way to prepare is to include the testing in the packaging design as early as possible. Intertek's packaging testing equipment for random vibration will mimic so we can assess transportation vibration. Flammability test area. Furniture flammability testing focuses on checking fire resistance of cover fabrics and filling materials in accordance with international standards such as California Technical Bulletin 117. We offer extensive options for flammability testing for furniture, including cigarette burn tests, match burn tests, ignition resistance tests, flaming and smoldering screening tests. For toy items, the risk of fire is one of the hazards that needs to be evaluated by performing flammability testing. The testing is based on the following methods: EN71-2, SNI ISO 8124-2, AS-NZS ISO 8124-2, ISO 8124-2, ASTM F963-17 for solids and soft toys. Acoustics test area. Acoustics is the study of sound, noise, and vibration. The testing is intended to assess the limits for sound levels of toys. Several methods based on European, American, Australian, other international, and also Indonesian standards can be done in our lab. Corrosion test area. Corrosion testing is to understand how materials perform under simulated service conditions and can help to ensure that they will reach their projected design life. Corrosion testing is applied across a range of industries for a variety of applications. Corrosion can result in irreversible damage to materials, equipment, assets, and pipelines. These losses are not only expensive to rectify in monetary terms, but subsequent equipment failure could result in production downtime, health and safety risks, and reputational damage.